Just smells like socks. Smells really bad.
Hi, my name's Suzie Imber. I'm a space scientist and I love cake, and I contributed one of the recipes for this mission cake.
I'm Dallas Campbell. I'm a television presenter. I also like cake, but I'm more savoury, I think. I have more of a savoury palate than you.
Well, let's see if you win mission cake.
So here is the rules of engagement. We have a selection of cakes here.
Baked by our wonderful friends at the National Space Centre.
And we have to guess the flavours. We've got different flavours here on these cards here, raspberry, bacon, all kinds of things. And then, excitingly, we have to try and explain why the flavour relates to one of these space-themed images. Ooh.
See, I thought I knew what that was, but now I'm not sure.
I know exactly what it is. You know what it is, just by smelling it. Look, that's an obvious, for me, that's a very obvious cake. Classic cake flavour.
Yeah, I know what it says. It's marzipan.
Marzipan. Elliot, are we right on marzipan? Yes, come on. Okay. Marzipan, what the heck?
Yeah, I can't see Mars anywhere.
No.
I was thinking there might be a picture of Mars.
Jupiter, why could that be marzipan-y? An astronaut?
No, I don't think it's this, and I don't think it's this. And this is some nebula.
I think I know what that is.
Okay, and you don't think it's
marzipan? I don't think it's marzipan. Did they make a... It's ringing a bell.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's kind of ringing a bell. For some reason...
It's one of these two, I think, if it's going to be any of them.
I agree with you. I think it's either the comet or Jupiter. Chemical composition of Jupiter, it's hydrogen.
So you're going to say what's the chemical composition of almonds?
Oh. You must know that.
Yeah,
sure.
hydrogen.
Yeah, we're going for the comet.
No, it's not the comet. Is it Jupiter? Oh,
it is Jupiter.
Jupiter has many smells. On the outer, lighter layers of gas, it smells like ammonia. Think cleaning products and urine. A little deeper and you get ammonia as well as rotten eggs thanks to hydrogen sulfide. On the inner, heavier layers, you would encounter hydrogen cyanide, the smell of which has been likened to bitter almonds or marzipan.
Ah, there you go. Okay. Yeah, I mean the colour's kind of giving it away, isn't it?
This is my favourite though. Raspberry.
Raspberry. I know what this is. Actually kind of works as a cake. Actually, weirdly, I get it not from the taste, but from the smell. Bacon.
This does not taste like bacon.
It does smell it.
No.
Just smell it. Breathe in really deeply.
No.
Really?
It doesn't taste like bacon at all.
It doesn't taste like bacon, but it smells like bacon. What do you think it smells like?
Cake.
Cake.
Okay, so you reckon bacon?
I reckon bacon, and I reckon, well, the first one was raspberry, and I reckon it's that.
Is this bacon? It's not bacon!
It did smell of bacon, it tasted bacon.
You convinced yourself.
Yeah. What is it then?
Rum? Yes!
Oh, what do I know? Okay. So we think it's raspberry and rum for our deep space thing.
So I think we're correct.
Yeah.
Rum and raspberry. This is Sagittarius B2, a cloud in the centre of our galaxy. Scientists study Sagittarius B2 in their search of vital compounds for life, amino acids. In this cloud, they found a compound called ethyl formate. This partly gives raspberries their smell, and the alcohol rum its taste.
Ah. See, this is the thing. Sometimes you just read random things. Maybe I read it randomly on the internet. Maybe it was a Space Centre tweet. That's got to be meat-based cake. Okay. Is it either bacon or beef? It's hard to tell. I quite like it actually.
I think it's beef. I think it's beef flavoured cake.
Yeah.
Do you think beef?
Yeah, it's nice.
Is it beef? It's bacon.
Oh, crumbs, bacon, okay. Comet.
The moon. Bacon is the moon.
Pourquoi?
Because bacon was the first food to be eaten on the moon.
No. Oh, yeah, it would have been a bacon cube. Apollo.
So you were thinking when Tim Peake got to the International Space Station, he had a bacon sandwich.
That's what I was thinking.
I knew you were thinking that, but actually, I think it's the moon.
I think.
Oh, I think so. I think so.
Okay, I'm happy with that. They did have Apollo. They did have the little bacon cubes. Not very nice bacon sandwiches, but we'll go for Apollo astronaut.
Yes, we're correct. All right.
Nice. skills.
So we
and
have
knowledge.
here.
There it is, the bacon bar.
First food eaten on the moon, bacon. It was dehydrated and compacted into small cubes, as he said. This was one part of Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin's meal. They followed with sugar cookies, nice, dehydrated peaches, pineapple grapefruit drink, and coffee.
Nice.
Did you enjoy that, John?
I did enjoy the bacon cake. Thank you. Okay. Bring it on. I'm kind of guessing all these cakes is equivalent to about one slice of cake.
Yeah, we're not really picking
Not
out.
really.
So pear drops or beef? God, I'm not looking forward to the beef. I know what this is. Here's my problem. I don't know which one beef could correspond to.
Well, that's sort of okay. Well, maybe did they find some kind of another amino acid on the comet?
I
which
think
is the
this
pear
is this.
drop, or there's some kind of chemical composition. Because when they talk about pear drops, they always think in chemistry, oh, it smells. like pear drops.
Yeah, definitely. But why is beef that?
Well, that's Bruce McCandless, is the name of that astronaut.
Who liked beef? They always say that when they open the hatch, isn't there a particular smell?
Well, they always
say it smells a bit burnt.
They say, oh, that gunpowder or something. don't they?
Yeah. We're going to go pear drops and comet. Yes! There are many ingredients involved in a comet.
Mm-hmm.
First and foremost is water, then carbon dioxide or dry ice. This is followed by methane, ammonia, hydrogen cyanide, and many others. One ingredient is acetone. This gives off an intensely fruity and sweet smell, reminiscent of pear drops.
Although I guess if you were on the comet and you took your space helmet off and sniffed,
You'd be dead before you smelled it?
you'd be very dead. So that must mean
Oh.
birth.
This is a beef flavour cake.
Just smells like socks. Smells really bad. It's got that kind of musty.
It actually smells worse than it tastes, I think.
Here's what I think it is.
Oh, no, it does taste quite bad.
I think when astronauts, when they talk about the smell of space,
Yeah.
even though maybe that does, maybe it's a, I don't know what it is, but they often talk about it as a sort of burnt smell.
Mm-hmm.
I've heard it being described as that, but maybe it's a burnt beefy smell. I reckon it's the smell of space.
Yes, I think
in
so
some
too. I think
way.
so too. The vacuum of space smells like seared meat and metal.
There you go.
When astronauts return to their spacecraft after a spacewalk, the scent clings to their spacesuit like the way bonfire smoke grips to your clothes. Could it be oxidation or dying stars producing polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons?
Yes.
I'm going to say yes.
So there we go.
Wow.
Space cake smells.
Right, this wraps up our experience with Mission Cake. I'm going to have another one of these because the raspberry cake was delicious, and you have...
Pear drop. Pear drop. It's
You
been
didn't
fun
go-
actually.
you didn't go for the bacon.
We've learned a little bit about cake. Enjoyed the cake. We've learned a little bit about science and the smells and tastes of space. If this has whetted your appetite, support the Space Centre with their Kickstarter Space Cake book, which has got recipes from all kinds of people.
It's got our recipes in there. Mine
Yeah.
is clementine cake with chocolate, and yours is...
Lemon drizzle.
Lemon drizzle cake.
But we've got Tim
also
Peake.
cakes, yeah, Tim Peake, Helen, Sharman, other astronauts, scientists. You get to find everyone's favourite cakes.
All of
so
our space friends.
you can judge us based on our cake recipes.
Enjoy.
Thank you.